everybody, welcome back to the Crystalina Perspective. Today I have an unboxing video for you guys and a first impressions. We're not going to try any product, just going to tell you guys my thoughts about the products. But today we have a Colouredraine mystery box. I got this box back in August. So I've been having it a really long time before I've shown any of you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Colouredraine mystery box, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have always loved the brand Colouredraine. I have never owned anything from the brand until now, but when I saw that they had these mystery boxes that went on sale on their website, I had to grab one and it was super affordable. It was like $30. It did ship USPS, but the shipping was, I had to look at the back to see. The shipping was super duper quick. I love how they have fragile on their boxes. Everything looked packaged, like I opened it to see if everything was packaged well, and it was. And so we're going to open it. So like I said, this mystery box retails for $30. Inside of it, I'm gonna list what it said that you get. I can't remember, but there is a new product in this box. I've seen the new product. I'm excited about it. I think the product is now available on their website, but let's open this. So it has the website there. It says Colouredraine.com. Colouredraine is a Black-owned cosmetic company. So I was super duper excited to get my hands on some of their products. And when you open the box, first off, I think this is just the cutest thing ever. It says, "Honey, I'm home." And then it has at Colouredraine, really cute box with a heart. And then this is how it was packaged. Like seriously guys, like I didn't do anything special. Everything was packaged in the bubble wrap, and then under the bottom you have where you guys can kind of see peeking through. That is my tag telling me what I got. So this is the September mystery box. I'm not sure if this company, I'm not sure if they do mystery boxes monthly or what. That's something that I'm not for sure about. But in the bottom of this box, it does have the recycle sign, which is cool. And then of course my address is on the bottom. So I just think this packaging is so dope, and I would love to order more things from them. So everything was neatly bubble wrapped. Like this is the thick bubble wrap. Like if y'all can tell, I had to do it. Sorry y'all. But it's the thick bubble wrap, and it's bubble wrapped quite a bit here. So we have a total of 5 products for the $30. Look at this bubble wrap. So much of it. So we are going to start off with the new item, which I know this is the new item because I have seen it. So first off, I appreciate companies that send their makeup palettes in this little sleeve. I appreciate that because, you know, stuff gets broken and then you have a whole nother situation. So this is the, I'm about to drop it. The Thunder by Colouredraine palette. This palette is gluten-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free and vegan. So for all of my babes out there that are into like, you know, vegan, gluten-free type makeup, this palette is that. Oh, this is cute. So look at this, y'all. That is really cute. So it says Thunder. It has like a little, what is that called? The scene changes. And then we are, is it a mirror? There is a mirror, so I'm gonna open it like this. So there is all of the colors in all their glory. Such beautiful colors. You do have a mirror that's right down here, but these are the colors. Super duper gorgeous colors. Halloween is coming up, so and the names are really cute, like Chance of Rain, Overcast, Thunderstorm, Lightning, Spring Showers, Electric Charge, Shockwaves, Gray Skies, Storm Watch, Thunderclouds, Smells Like Rain, and Supercell. So I'm going to swatch a few. This one, ooh. I ain't used to no eyeshadow being like this, y'all. Look at that color. Like, let's see here. My arm. That's nice. I'm gonna swatch Chance of Rain. My wife would appreciate this name. That's what that looks like. So we are going to do Chance of Rain here. Y'all. Wow. Wow, I'm just blown away. Let's try Shockwaves. That's Shockwaves. So we're gonna go right here. Wow, the pigment is crazy. That's crazy. And then we're gonna do one more. We're gonna do Thunderstorm. I like the thunder better than the lightning. Lightning can be too much for me. That's Thunderstorm. And it's a beautiful blue. Reminds me of my sorority colors. Wow. I'm gonna have to go grab the wife, do a little bit of makeup on her, because these colors are gorgeous, like super duper gorgeous. And I didn't even swatch them all, but I want to say the Colouredraine palettes retail for about $16 by themselves. So already we're well on our way to the value of the box. Wow. Like, I'm gonna leave these on here so y'all can be reminded. That color payoff is everything. Like, wow. That's all I have to say. So we got the palettes in the mystery box. The next item that we got is a Colouredraine Just Wing It felt tip eyeliner in blue. And ooh, it looks like it's a bold blue. Okay. Pigmentation. So this is what it looks like that. And we are going to swatch it. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Can y'all see that? That's real nice. That's what the tip looks like. It's okay. I'm excited to play around with that. I don't do a whole lot of like colored liners, so I'm super excited to play around with that. Okay, y'all done got eyeshadow on me. So the next item that I'm just pulling is a paint base eyeshadow base, and it has squalane and sodium hyaluronic. And this is what it looks like right here, like so. And it's in the color white. It says that at the very top. It's in the color white. So, let's see what this looks like. I've never, like I said, this is my first haul from this brand. And it definitely will not be my last one. Okay, y'all, so I finally got the freaking base out of the box, but this is the paint base eyeshadow base right here. It is in a white color, so it's going to help all of these eyeshadows to stand out, and I'm quite sure it'll help any of their other palettes that they have, the shadows, to stand out as well. But this is what it looks like. It's a tube, really, really cute, and it came in this box. Two more items. So the next product that we are going to look at happens to be lipsticks. So we have a Lotus lipstick and a Sugar Rose lipstick. Both of these are satin classic lipsticks. I absolutely love lipstick, by the way. My wife loves purple lipstick, and I try my best to like try new lipsticks so she can get out of that, okay? So this is what the Lotus lipstick looks like right here. It looks like that. And we are going to swatch it. Oh, that's pretty. Fall vibes. I feel like my wife will wear this because it's kind of close to the purple family. So yeah, I feel like she'll wear that. And this is what the packaging looked like right there. And then we also have Sugar Rose. And this is what Sugar Rose look like. This is the packaging here. That's what it looks like. It's this color here. It's a little bit lighter. Oh, that's pretty. I really like that. So guys, that is what was in the Colouredraine mystery box. So just as a quick recap, we ended up getting 2 lipstick products. We got, we got a paint-based eyeshadow base. We got a Colouredraine Just Wing It felt tip eyeliner. And then we got the new Thunder palette from Colouredraine. And I'm going to like flash the retail value of all of these products. I definitely think, without even knowing the cost of everything, I think this is well over the $30 value. Not only that, I also feel like it's worth the $30 because it's not like one of those mystery boxes where you pay for and you kind of can't use the stuff. You can actually use this stuff, like especially if you're a makeup artist or if you just like to play in makeup. This blue eyeliner is perfect for that. You get a whole eyeshadow palette. You can always use eyeshadow bases to play in whatever eyeshadow palettes you already own. And you can always use lipstick, you know. Lipstick is one of those things that you can, I feel like you never can have enough of because, you know, if you make a mistake and leave one in the car, it melts. Or if you have a situation like mine, you have a wife and they take it. Or you have another family member and they take it. I feel like you can never have enough lipstick. But that was my very first Colouredraine haul. I'm very pleased and happy with what all I got in this mystery box. Tell me down below if you thought that this was a good mystery box or they could do better. Let me know. I will rate this mystery box a 5 out of 5 because the shipping was amazing. The packaging, I'm showing you guys the packaging, amazing. I love how they had everything packaged and protected. I feel like they genuinely cared about whether or not my product got to me. You know, from my first impressions of the brand, I think the brand is stellar. It took me forever to get into the paint base because they had a seal here on it, which I appreciate that because, you know, some companies, your stuff fall out the box and then it fall into. But this company seems to really care about how their products will be received to their customers. I definitely will be picking up more stuff, especially some lipsticks and stuff, because me and my wife, we're always going out and stuff, and I like to try new lips. I may not necessarily can do a whole face each time, throw on lashes, but I will at least do my brows and have on a nice lip. And my wife is the same way. Or we'll put on some foundation, do our brows, and put some mascara on, and then have on a nice lipstick. So lipstick is something I feel like I said, you can never have enough. But this was an amazing mystery box. I think it was well worth the money. And I'm excited to see if they come out with any new ones. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with all your friends. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.